Adds details, comments, tabular data, byline by Saqib Iqbal Ahmed New York, September 22. Reuters speculators' net short bets on the US dollar grew in the latest week to the highest total since January 2013, according to calculations by Reuters and Commodity Futures Trading Commission data released on Friday. The value of the dollar's net short position, derived from net positions of international monetary market speculators in the yen, euro, British pound, Swiss franc and Canadian and Australian dollars, totaled $13.19 billion in the week to September 19. That compares with a net short position of $11.57 billion the previous week and marks the fifth straight week of increases in the net bearish bet against the greenback. To be short a currency means traders believe it will fall in value. In a wider measure of dollar positioning, that includes net contracts on the New Zealand dollar, Mexican peso, Brazilian real and Russian ruble, the US dollar posted a net short position valued at $16.65 billion, up slightly from $16.36 billion a week earlier. Investors have increasingly lost faith in U.S. President Donald Trump's ability to pass his proposed tax cuts and infrastructure spending plans through Congress, which were expected to pump up growth and inflation, increasing the pace of interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve. Wednesday's signal from the U.S. Central Bank that it may raise interest rates for a third time this year gave the dollar a small boost. The Fed may have changed the market sentiment a little bit about the dollar, at least in the short term, said Sireen Harajli, FX strategist at Mizuho in New York. But I don't think it's going to see the kind of strength that we would expect had the administration been able to implement some of the policies that were expected at the beginning of the year, she said, adding my guess would be that the next week's data is going to show some of these short positions trimmed. The dollar index, which tracks the greenback against 6 major currencies, was up 0.34% for the week. Meanwhile, the net short position in sterling shrank to 10,161 contracts, the least since November 2015. The both surprised markets on September 14 when it said, despite the big uncertainties about Brexit, that most of its policymakers thought a rate hike was likely in the coming months if underlying inflation pressure continues to grow. This has led some people to expect gains in the pound going forward, said Harajli. Both interest rate setters have to decide whether to raise British interest rates for the first time in a decade in 6 weeks' time. Japanese yen contracts of 12,500,000 yen $5.749 billion September 19, 2017 prior week-long 42,435 40,642 short 93,757 97,939 net 51,322 57,297 euro contracts of 125,000 euros $9.407 billion September 19, 2017 prior week-long 190,025 191,102 short 127,272 105,044 net 62,753 86,058 pound sterling contracts of 62,500 pounds sterling $0.858 billion September 19, 2017 prior week-long 76,556 68,938 short 86,717 115,023 net 10,161 46,085 Swiss franc contracts of 125,000 Swiss francs $0.204 billion September 19, 2017 prior week-long 13,387 13,556 short 14,956 14,870 net 1,569 1,314 Canadian dollar contracts of 100,000 Canadian dollars $4.789 billion September 19, 2017 prior week-long 100,675 91,645 Short 41,829, 41,146 net, 58,846, 50,499 Australian dollar. Contracts of 100,000 Aussie dollars, $5.807 billion. September 19, 2017. Prior week long 102,990, 101,713. Short 30,478, 38,680 net, 72,512, 63,033 Mexican peso. Contracts of 500,000 pesos, $2.163 billion. September 19, 2017. Prior week long 136,338, 143,188. Short 59,386, 26,190. Net 76,952, 116,998 New Zealand dollar. Contracts of 100,000 New Zealand dollars, $0.488 billion. September 19, 2017. Prior week long 23,248, 25,150. Short 16,578, 12,800. Net 6,670, 12,350. Reporting by Saqib Iqbal Ahmed. Editing by G. Cross.